In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to TradeLocker from HeroFX. So the easiest way to do this is by going to the Accounts tab here inside your dashboard, scrolling down, and then when you find your TradeLocker account, so for example, I have 3 demo accounts over here, you simply want to click on View here, and then from here, just remember the server, and then if you don't know the password, make sure you change it, and then click on Trade. Now, whenever you do that, you want to click on Start Trading, which will take you to the TradeLocker portal over here. And now this is the most important step here, in case you have a live account, which I don't. This is a demo account here, as you can see. So if you have a live account, you have to be on the live part, which you should be directed to automatically. But if you have a demo account like me, you want to click on switch to demo, and then it's going to switch you over to demo.tradelocker.com opposed to live.tradelocker.com. And then you want to simply type in your email, your password, which is for the account, of course, and then also the server, which should be listed over here depending on which account you have. Now, after you do that, just click on the login button and you should be logged into TradeLocker with your HeroFX account. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.